There you have it in the room. I'd like to introduce
good morning. Today we have series, and why is that so? The 3 Series stands for distinctive design, innovation, and sporty handling, sheer driving pleasure, and thus embodies the core values of the BMW brand. Tradition remain unchanged. We have a perfect 50 to 50% weight distribution, a high body rigidity, low center of gravity, and a high quality suspension to be introduced in January. Let's talk about the launch. 20i M Sport to my left and Alpine white. We have our 330i in a new color, one of the new colors we are offering in skyscraper gray, and our PHEV, our plug-in hybrid with 330e. And we are going to announce 2 additional variants really soon, in a few weeks, to complete our 3 Series family. We have a redesigned headlight with a new daytime running light graphic with an inverted L, a new kit name, an overall new front section which widens the car. The interior has now really digital and modern feel to it, thanks to the new BMW curved display. On top of that, also head-up display is now standard on all of our variants in Malaysia. The 3 Series is clearly our core of choice model. We have 2 petrol engines offered from start, 4 cylinders, 1 plug-in hybrid or 330e with about 50 kilometers of electric range, and then later on 2 additional variants to be announced. Prices for the 3 Series. What is the new retail price with BMW service and repair inclusive package? We are going to retail the 320i at 283,800 ringgit, followed by the 330e at 298,800 ringgit, and last but not least, our 330i M Sport at just 317,800 ringgit.